Hey, man, I just want to put out a quick note, everybody, quick tip, man. I just want to say, on your golf cart, electric golf cart, if you're troubleshooting the golf cart, all right, if your solenoid clicks, that tells you that all your safety switches are good, all your safety components are good. If it's a club car, that tells you your M core is good, your toe switch is good, your charger anti-lock switch out is good, and the onboard computer is good, all right? If it's an easy go, that means the ITS is good, key switch is good, toe switch is good, and the forward and reverse switch, all right? Because I've talked with a lot of people, man, and a lot of people are just putting parts on the cart, even though the solenoid is clicking, all right? So let me say that again, man. If you have an electric golf cart and the solenoid clicks, do not change the M core. Do not change the toe switch. Do not change the key switch, all right? You're going to have to check output voltage on the solenoid, output voltage on the controller to the motor, all right? A lot of people is just throwing money at the car, man. Let's don't waste it on this channel here, all right? I appreciate everybody watching. Just trying to help everybody safe, man. This is just a quick tip I wanted to give out, man, because I talked with quite a few people in the last couple of days, and maybe one person will see this video before he works on his cart and is clicking the solenoid. Normally, if the solenoid clicks and holds, it's a motor issue. If the solenoid goes click, click real fast with the gas pedal down, it's a controller drive failure, all right? Or the solenoid failure dropping out. But normally it's caused by the drive side of the controller. It senses something wrong, so it kicks the solenoid back out because the car is not going to run. So if the solenoid clicks and holds, 99% of the time it's the motor, or every once in a while it might be a controller once in a blue moon. Or if it goes click, click real fast, controller's bad, man. Maybe one person will watch this video before he fixes his car, man. If you got any questions, comment below, man. I just wanted to put out a quick video on this because I see a lot of people doing it. Y'all stay tuned, man. Watch my next video. Always remember, hey.